everybody, Aaron Productions here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys why you should never ever pull the fire alarm unless it's an emergency. So right here's my annunciator, of course. But today I made this little skit which pretty much just shows you guys what happens when you pull the fire alarm, and if you do it like without a real fire, what's going to happen. So let's get started. Hold on, let's take a look back at what happened during that 1 second between when you pulled the fire alarm and the fire alarms went off. Oh, did you see what happened? First, the annunciator and the panel went into alarm as soon as you pulled the pull station. Then, the alarms went off in turn, scaring most of the people in the building, which can make them hurt themselves running to the exit. Then, in between that, the fire alarm panel sent a signal to the central station saying that there's a fire emergency at this building. So in turn, that calls the fire department, and they will respond to here if you have a dial. What I didn't show was after the fact. You can be charged for multiple things, and you could get a felony. First of all, you get a $500 or more fine. You could spend up to 5 years in jail. And you also can have the building press charges against you. And other certain things that is just not good. So guys, that just goes to show that you should never ever pull the fire alarm. Because you may think it's just a prank, or it's just like some little fire alarm system, who gives a crap about it. Nothing happens. No, it's a big major deal. So guys, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Stay safe and peace out.